Big data. What's that? It's a term relatively recent, used in technology and related to data analysis, but especially related to large volumes of data. Until some years ago, when the computing technology was not so developed, in order to obtain a conclusion on a subject which involved a large amount of information, the only available tool was statistics. From a reasonable small aleatory sample, one could reach a conclusion from a larger data population, but with a narrow margin, often high. Nowadays, in order to reach a conclusion with a lower error margin, one can analyze a much larger database about the subject and obtain additional conclusions initially unexpected. One example of big data application is the analysis of genetic diseases. Each human being possesses 23 chromosome pairs that form the so-called genome, with around 3 billion pairs. The genetic analysis with big data can find hidden combinations and other information that in a traditional analysis could pass unnoticed. Uncovered genetic variants can allow individualized diagnostics and treatments. Another example. If several people in a given location will start making internet searches at the same time about flu symptoms, medicines for flu, or what to do when one gets a flu, the company responsible for the search engine could conclude, depending on its algorithms, that a flu epidemic is happening in that region. The amount of internet searches, apparently aleatory from the start, make a pattern, and this pattern can lead to conclusions. Therefore, big data is very important, not only in the technology realm, having many applications in areas such as medicine and marketing. It also creates a privacy issue. If someone can obtain big data on one individual, for example, all the locations from where he or she used the internet in the last years, this is knowledge that can be used for good or evil. That is why the regulation about data privacy is so relevant today. We have already concluded that data are important, as well as the algorithms that analyze them. So, can we say that data and algorithms are someone's properties? We'll talk about intellectual property in our next video. Until then.